Look at you. You are putting the sand in the crab. We are in our sandbox outside, aren't we? Oh, we're almost finished with our crab. Let's put some more in.
And right now, I'm going to dig up some sand and put it in the dumper truck.
Yeah? Oh, did you turn it over? You turned it over. Let's lift it up. And we can see what's under it. Look. You made a crab. Should we make more crabs? What do you think?
Scared.
The crab looks scared?
Yeah.
He looks scared?
Yeah, he's scared of truck.
Oh, I heard you say that he's scared of the truck. Maybe.
Because the truck's gonna ride and dump it on him.
Oh, no. Don't cover up our crab.
Okay, I'll go dump
He
somewhere
doesn't want to
else.
get hurt.
Okay, I'll go dump somewhere else.
Yeah, say go away, big truck. Tell it to go away.
And look, now he's gonna dump in the dump pile. Hey, dump it!
He dumped it over there. You're right. It's all the way over there. How does our crab feel now? How does he feel?
He's scared.
He's still scared. He feels scared. Why? Why does he still feel scared?
Gunk.
You don't know now?
Because Mr. Bunny's gonna dig and pour some stuff on him.
Oh no!
He's gotta dig and he's gonna
All of the sand is gonna come down and cover him up. It's gonna be a sand rain come down or a sandstorm.
It's sand lightning.
Ooh, Sophia is making some sand lightning.
Nah. And that's rain. Stop.
Oh, are you going to make another crab?
For the man crab's wife.
Oh yeah? Or does Crab just want a friend?
Yep.
A friend to play with?
It's like making some rain, but here we go. It's still going. The rainstorm's still going. It's gonna go for another minute. It's almost over. And the storm's over. And Mr. Crab got wet.
Yay, the storm is finished. It's all done. It's all done. We can move on. Are you filling it up
Yeah.
all the way?
Yeah.
All right, let's pat it down. Oh, goodness. Now it is time to turn it over.
And now, while they're doing that, I'm gonna get a little.
Yay! I see a crab.
And now I'm gonna make a little sandcastle.
Ooh, Sophia's gonna make a sandcastle. That is one of my favorite things to do when we are in the sandbox.
And now I'm gonna use my smoother.
How does this crab feel? How does he feel?
Look, scared.
He looks scared too? Are you sure he's not happy, sad, or tired? He's scared?
I know why he's scared. Because another rainstorm's gonna come.
Oh no. I wonder, will it have sand lightning too?
It's gonna.
Oh no, it's going to be a sandstorm with sand lightning. Let's take cover. Oh no, let's take cover.
It's fire.
It's fire.
It's on your shirt. Okay, the storm's over. And there's fire over there.
There is. We're making a fire too for tonight, aren't we?
And Mommy's feet are covered from sand.
I do. I like to cover my feet in sand.
I don't.
It is nice and cool.
Uh-oh, and something else is coming bad up.
What could it be?
The weather's gonna get a big storm. It's gonna be a tornado! Tiger!
Oh no! Did you hear that, Sophie? Did you hear it? A tiger is coming! Oh no! What should we do? Should we maybe make a moat in our sand lot? In our sandbox, make a moat. That way the tiger cannot come in.
Yeah,
Yes, we should build a moat. All right.
I'll build it.
Yep, we all need to help do the digging. All right, so there's just an example of how to provide aided language input while you're Sophie. While you're she is getting right to work on building that moat. All right, so that's just an example of how you can provide aided language input while you're out in the sandbox. Sorry, my shadow was covering up the board there. So I just have a low-tech manual communication board out with the sand because it, like, glitter can get everywhere, and I don't mind a mess, but I don't necessarily want that on a high-tech speech generating device. So that's why these are such a great option, or even the flip books that you can print off from Sotillo's site, as well as your other speech generating companies and their low-tech options too. So they're nice to be able to come out and play and not have to worry about the mess and the fuss. As you can see, it's super easy just to shake it off. This one's laminated and on cardstock and everything, so it's super durable. And those were just some words that you can model. You saw me model her question words, which are here in the purple, pronouns in the yellow, lots of verbs to give commands and do requesting and label actions and everything in the green there. And then prepositions are in our light blue over here. And then we had some feeling words too, didn't we, Luke? We did. And you may have also noticed too, whenever I refer to friend, anytime I'm referring to a word that's not on the main board, but I know where it's at in the categories, I'll just reference that for them. So friend is under people. So that's why whenever providing aided language input, I just went to that word to show where its location is once it's in the actual system. All right. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and comment below.